We're starting from this promontory scenic lookout. So we are on the way to Forster now. So we're gonna have some breakfast over there. So windy here. Today is it's about 21 degrees, but it's very windy. The spicy chicken burger was very spicy. It was freaking hot.
So here we are at Forster Information Center. It's also the South Gippsland Information Center. And we changed our plans. We're now going to Cape Liptrap as opposed to going to the Golden Beach, given the time and the advice given to us by the Information Center personnel.
Do you know that the highest number of beaches in the world are in Australia?
Here I am in one of the Venus Bay beaches on the way to Cape Liptrap Lighthouse. Actually, we got lost. We were thinking that we are coming to the Cape Liptrap Lighthouse. Even though I can't swim, can't surf, and can't fish. But still, I'm excited. So we have reached the lighthouse apparently. It's windswept here. Let's see how far is the beach from here, or if we can get access to the beach. I was told that we cannot access the beach, but at least if you can see waters from far, even that would help. It's raining on and off. I can see a lighthouse there for sure.
Yeah.
And there you go.
It's a nice
We've
view
got
here.
something here. I think I have to tighten my cap here before it could get blown away by this wind. So this is like an adventure for us because there's no one, literally no one here. It's lightly raining and it's windy. I think we are going back. Today is not that day for travel, I guess, but here we are.